peoples. Yes, this is the voice of Case 85. Many of you don't know my real name, but my real name is actually Marquise. But I usually only use my social media name, which is Case 85. It's been cold. A lot has been going on. Some I can't control, and some I can control. Life has just been lifing, man. But you gotta know how to unlearn, relearn, change, adjust, and reevaluate, and operate accordingly. The beautiful thing about today is I needed a reset. I needed time to just get my mind together, relax, and that's when I bring out the drone. The drone helps me do that. It puts me in a place of peace. And then I get to see things like this when I go to a nature park. Beautiful, just, man, see the birds just living their best life. The animals that live in beautiful, put things into perspective. And then you move on. And you go and do great things. The understanding of sometimes everybody may or may not agree with some of the things that you do or don't do. But that's okay. Because nobody will always agree with you, right? But at the end of the day, you have to do what's best for you and your household. With the understanding that you may piss some people off. People may feel some type of way. It is what it is. At the end of the day, for me at least, I just need to be able to lay my head down and go to sleep in peace, knowing that I did the best that I could with the resources that I had. And that comes with making tough sacrifices. It does. Like I always say, it's gonna be what it's gonna be, baby. Everybody ain't gonna like you. Everybody ain't gonna agree with you, but that's okay. Long as you doing the best that you can do, that's the only thing that really matters. And on that note, enjoy the rest of this. And remember to like and subscribe. Y'all be blessed.